how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. Guys, I did something to my hair very, 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 very bad. Guys, I've been fighting for my natural hair for so long. I was so happy my hair has grown. I don't know what came over me, guys. I went and used heat on my hair. I straightened my hair and all my hair is damaged. Like when I go like this, it comes plenty in my hair. So guys, I'm gonna have a haircut today. My husband is gonna cut my hair. And I'm gonna start fresh. I will never touch my hair with any heat pack again. Never. The same way my body is sensitive, my hair is sensitive too. Look, it's off. Guys, my hair is off. My hair is really, really damaged. Very, very bad. So I need to restart. I'm gonna restart, guys. I'm very sad that there's nothing I can do. I need to cut it and start again. So what are you waiting for? I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm ready.
I thought you were helping me cook, man.
Guys, this is what I'm talking about. See? They look thin. So I'm gonna cut all this from there. Look. All my hair is damaged. It's damaged, guys. I'm gonna cut my hair now. Let me comb it first.
So now, wait, I'm done. Can you taste it, see what it tastes like? Oh, we need to put more salt inside. Taste, yeah? You know taste? And then you should start eating.
Guys, you see? My hair is damaged. I'm ready to cut it now and start. So guys, you remember I did my braid. See how thick my hair is. Why did I even straighten my hair with the straightener? Look how beautiful my hair is. See these pictures. This is how my hair was, very thick. But I will not give up. I will start again. If I say it doesn't hurt me, then I'm a liar, guys. I've suffered for my hair to grow it to that level. Thickness. It doesn't matter. With God, all things are possible. Okay, I'm just combing it and then I'm gonna start cutting. Alright? I'm very sad, but let's... Before my husband cut my hair, guys, he has made me a beautiful, delicious dinner before I cry.
I helped too.
Yummy, yummy in my...
Next, we want to taste this.
Me? I'm away. Look at David.
Move the small stuff from here.
I don't want to eat. I want to cut my hair, so let me start. So sad.
We call it damn and told you.
I did it!
David! You cheated. Oh. Someone already tried.
Mommy!
No. Sky tapping so in the kitchen. Sky, what
I did it, guys. I got it.
Wait, let me do that thing.
I've taken the first step. done the first start.
Are you still eating?
My hair is gone, so my husband will continue the rest.
What are you that ever been eating here? You're not coming.
I'm gonna start again. I will never touch straightener or any heat on my hair ever again. Never. Never, guys. Never.
Never say never. Don't never say never. I am just singing a song. Never say never.
I can't believe I cut my hair. After struggling.
You're not cutting it, you're still cutting. It's alright, it's alright. But look, this is,
I'll show you the end, guys.
You are very beautiful.
He's still cutting. My hair is gone. I need to restart. No more heat. No more straightener for me. Ever again.
The cut hair. Oh yeah, take some.
My hair is finally cut. I have cut the hair off to start again. I've cut my hair off. I've cut it off, guys. I've cut it off. So sad, but I have to do it. I have to start again. I have to start again. So that's my hair.
I'm in trouble now.
The way Daddy enjoy cutting my hair like that, it's not even straight. It's hard for me. New look. New look.
Stacy.
What did you do? My ear there.
Yeah, okay.
She's sad as I cut my hair. This is it, guys. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
You are being
New me, pray to get a new me. I'm gonna start hair fresh again with my DIY. I'm starting. No more heat for me. No. Subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Bye. Thanks, baby.